Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on the technology sector, we had a bearish reaction to the Apple earnings after hours today. We've got the Facebook earnings tomorrow after close. We've got the FOMC tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern. Those are all going to be catalysts here for short-term direction in these markets. So the Apple reaction is going to be slightly bearish on the tech sector. We'll see how the other names react, referring to Google and Amazon and the other big name bulls. And we're watching an extremely strong chart. So 7 all-time highs in a row on XLK. We have a bearish reversal doji, but the last one was completely negated, so we have to take it with a grain of salt. We need confirmation after such a strong move. The upper Bollinger Band is ascending so rapidly that we are going to have to keep setting all-time highs to keep up with this. If we see a red day tomorrow, we will confirm this bearish reversal doji, and 5471 breaking will increase the odds that we confirm this bearish reversal candlestick. So FOMC reaction will be the main driving force tomorrow, but we'll get a bit of a sense of the reaction to the sector to the Apple earnings earlier in the day. The weekly time frame showing that strength. Two gap up opens in a row on the weekly time frame. If we were to see another gap up open next week, it would be a bearish 3-gap open reversal pattern, showing the bulls exhausting themselves to the upside. In my opinion, that's not likely, but it is certainly a scenario that we will be keeping an eye out for. So here's Apple, an indecision doji at the all-time high. We're going to see a bearish reaction to earnings. I believe we were down in the 144 range, so it's not a dump by any means. We have support here of 143.27, and then I would say the key support is 140.06, and we might as well call that 140. So if the bulls can hold 140 on a bearish reaction, look at the weekly time frame and where we are coming from, and that would really still be holding the higher low pattern. Anything above 140 on a consolidation reaction is going to maintain this extremely strong weekly uptrend. It is a lot more likely that we will see a bearish reversal candlestick on this weekly time frame this week, but we'll have to see how the next 3 trading days go. It could certainly change in either direction. So tomorrow pre-market will be very telling on Apple, but as of right now, we are anticipating at least this gap of 144.30 to fill. There's another gap at 142.68. So let's see how bearish this reaction is. Facebook earnings tomorrow, new all-time high. Facebook has seen new all-time highs now 7 days in a row. Riding the upper Bollinger Band 7 days in a row. Again, we're going to have to keep setting all-time highs in order to keep holding up above this level. Look at the bull volume over the past 3 days. It is declining. Bulls running out of steam a bit. All-time high is 153.44. If we lose the upper Bollinger Band and close below it, we will look for normal healthy consolidation. This weekly chart is at the upper Bollinger Band. It rejected the price last week. That's up at 153.99. Currently, the price is pulling back from that level as well. So as of right now, I would anticipate the tech sector to begin to consolidate a little bit. But if the bulls react in the market to the FOMC tomorrow, we can expect the tech sector to hold up well as well. So Apple consolidation coming. Facebook, I would not be surprised to see some profit taking. Looking at the move we've seen in the past 2 weeks, I would not be surprised to see profit taking heading into the earnings report tomorrow after close, especially after how Apple was a bearish reaction. So we'll see how it all plays out, and we'll check back in tomorrow, watching for bearish reversal candlesticks to potentially be confirmed. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.